Welcome to the most easiest, interactive and fun course out there. It's going to take you from the very fundamentals of UI/UX design and development to what it takes to master the skill. So before we get started, let me show you what we will be learning. I've bifurcated this course into UI/UX design and research, where you'll be learning the factors, stages, and all about UX. And in UI design and development, I've again bifurcated it into graphic design fundamentals, where you will be well versed with tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Figma. UI development, we will be learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now for a little intro about me. I'm Mariam, and this is my face, and you can find my work at mariamparvez.in. A little career journey insights as a heads up. I have always manifested to be in the realms of animation since 11th standard. So I took BSc animation in my undergrad. Then I got selected in placements in Deloitte as a graphic designer. But in 2019, I felt confined. That's when I stumbled upon UI/UX design. And ever since I've discovered UI/UX design, I've never looked back because this field is fun and in demand. Now I have 6 years of experience, which is why I believe it's time to pass the torch by teaching my skill in online platforms. So let's begin.